Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make a really simple, delicious vegetable pasta or mac with a nice creamy sauce. Let's get moving. So I'm going to start in a pan with some oil. You can use any oil you want. I'm going to drop in 1 cup of chopped onion. I'm going to let that go for like 3 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of garlic. Couple of minutes again there. We're on a above medium heat, by the way. Now we're going to go with 3 cups of chopped tomato. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato because you want them to kind of break down as much as they can. Salt and black pepper to taste. Then you can add a herb of your choice, anything you like really. I'm going to be going with some oregano, and some paprika. I'm using a sweet paprika, about a teaspoon each for this amount. So off we go. I want to kind of cook them down really and get them kind of nice and mushy. Probably going to take 5 or 6 minutes. Look at that, superb. Okay, I've got a couple of cups there of broccoli, about a cup of bell peppers, and the veg you put in is entirely up to you, isn't it? And then 2 cups of mushrooms. Like I say, you know, you can add any vegetables that you like into this. This is just what I'm using today. Let's flip that around in the sauce. We're going to let that go for maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. You can see that's cooked down beautifully. Then pasta time. I've got this kind of macaroni stuff. I've got 3 cups of cooked macaroni. Any pasta you want obviously can work. Spaghetti, tagliatelle, whatever you have, you know, in your cupboard there. We're going to stir that in, and I'm going to go for about another 3 minutes. I've got 1 cup of cream. This is a single or runny type cream, but any cream will work. If it's thick or runny, no problem. Parmesan cheese, which is what I'm using. You can maybe put some mozzarella in here, some cheddar in here. Again, up to you. Make it as cheesy as you like. You know, you don't have to put 1 cheese in. You can put a few in. We're going to mix that around. We're going to let it go for about another 3 to 4 minutes, and it's job done. It's delicious. It's easy. It's delightful. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, please do remember, if you like what you see here, to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment or subscribe. It really helps the channel out. See you later.